If you have been importing products from Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app for a very long time, but you are trying to buy multiple products and you are paying one after the other, and this causes a lot of stressful. And as a result of that, in this video, I will show you on how to simply assemble all the products into a single cart and how you can make payment to all the multiple supplier in at once on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app in a few minutes. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Pinduoduo 1688, Alibaba, AliExpress, or Taoba Chinese shopping app, or any Chinese e-commerce website or app, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo or. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. After you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for product. There are so many ways by which you can use to search for products. You can also come to the top right here, click on here and type the product name you are looking for. You are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can click on this camera icon right here, which allows you to upload the product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can come to the top right here and swipe this way, and this allows you to see products by different category right here. So each of the category right here have a different types of products and different type of manufacturer that you can simply connect with in China on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. However, once you are able to find the right products you want to ship, next thing you need to do is to make sure you add a product to cart. If you don't know how to add product to carts on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to check the video out on my channel. I've made a lot of step-by-step video on how you can add a product to cart. After you have successfully added a product to cart, next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here to proceed to your profile. Then I'll get into your profile, simply click on here. Then you have all the products you have in your cart right here. Next thing you need to do is to select them one after the other. I'm paying for this particular one right here, and I'm going to simply scroll down. I'm paying for this, and I'm going to scroll down. I'm paying for this product here, this one right here, and I'm paying for this. So I'm paying for about 4 different supplier right here, just like what you see. 1, 2, and from the top here, I have 3 and 4. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, you can also check the preview of every product you had in cart and see if there is anyone you want to remove right here. And also make sure you have your delivery address right here or shipping address from the top right here. Then you can scroll down right here and check on the preview right here. So once you are good with everything right here, next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you choose your means of payment. So at the time of making this video, I'm using Alipay as a means of payment right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment with my Alipay. Then here I enter my payment password. So payment done, successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on done. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pump up. And I have to proceed to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check them out. So the first one right here. So I have about 5 different ones right here, just like what you see right here. And if I go back here and I click on this one right here, this will show me the last one we placed order with. So it's just like so, it's that simple. So basically, this is how to pay to multiple supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app at once in minutes without any stress. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier
or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Pinduoduo, 1688, AliExpress, or any Alibaba or any Chinese e-commerce website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.